Have you ever wondered why some individuals seem to have their life perfectly under control while others are constantly trying to catch up? It's like watching a ship sail smoothly towards its destination while others appear to be lost at sea. What is the secret behind this difference? It all boils down to two essential tools: planning and organization. Consider planning as your personal compass. It provides direction and intention. It helps you steer clear of obstacles and brings you closer to your goals. With a solid plan, you're not aimlessly wandering. Instead, you're moving with purpose. Now, what about organization? Think of it as your sturdy vessel. A well-organized life is akin to a well-maintained ship. Efficient, reliable, and capable of taking you where you need to go. Organization saves time, reduces stress, and helps you track your progress. The benefits of planning and organizing your life are plentiful. You'll find yourself more efficient with your time, no longer wasting precious moments on tasks that don't bring you closer to your goals. You'll also experience reduced stress. Knowing what needs to be done and when eliminates room for chaos or confusion. And most importantly, you'll be able to achieve your goals. Whether it's landing your dream job, running a marathon, or mastering a new skill, with planning and organization, you're setting yourself up for success. In conclusion, planning and organizing your life is not rocket science. It's a skill you can learn and master. It's like learning to sail. Sure, it might be tricky at first, but with practice, patience, and perseverance, you'll soon be navigating the seas of life like a seasoned captain. Welcome aboard. You've just embarked on the journey of navigating life's seas with SmartLife Solutions, your reliable guide. Here we believe in the power of planning and organization, the two essential tools that transform the tumultuous ocean of life into a navigable waterway. You see, life, much like the sea, can be unpredictable. Sometimes it's calm, and other times it's stormy. But with a well-structured plan and organized approach, we can sail smoothly, even in the roughest waters. At SmartLife Solutions, we're committed to helping you chart your course, maintain your vessel, and sail towards your dreams. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the art of planning and organizing your life. Let's set sail together on a journey towards a smarter, more fulfilling life. So, how can you start planning and organizing your life effectively? The first step is identifying your goals. What do you want to achieve? And remember, these goals need to be specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to be able to run a 5K in under 30 minutes within the next 6 months." This gives you a clear target to aim for. Once you've identified your goals, it's important to prioritize them. Not all goals are created equal, and it's crucial to focus on the ones that are most important to you first. This helps you allocate your resources and time more effectively. Next, break down your goals into actionable tasks. If your goal is to run a 5K, some of the tasks might include getting a physical checkup, buying running shoes, researching running techniques, and creating a training schedule. Breaking down your goals into smaller tasks makes them more manageable and less overwhelming. And finally, remember that the key to effective planning is flexibility. Life is unpredictable and things don't always go as planned. Be ready to adjust your plans when necessary. Don't view changes as failures but as opportunities to learn and grow. In the end, planning is not about creating a rigid roadmap, but about providing a direction that guides you towards your goals. So, set your sails, adjust when necessary, and enjoy the journey. So, to wrap it all up, let's consider planning and organizing life like being the director of your own movie. You wouldn't start filming without a script or a storyboard, would you? Similarly, you shouldn't navigate life without a plan. The power of planning goes beyond just jotting down tasks on a to-do list. It's about setting a course for your life and taking the wheel to steer your journey. Remember the 4 steps to effective planning we've discussed. 1. Identify your goals. Be specific and measurable. Your goals are your destination, the place you want your journey to take you. 2. Break down your goals. Like a movie script, your life's plan should be divided into scenes or tasks. This makes your goals more manageable and less overwhelming. 3. Prioritize your tasks. Not all scenes are equally important in a movie, and the same goes for your tasks. Focus on the ones that bring you closer to your goals. 4. Implement and monitor your plan. Just like a director watches the footage and adjusts the scenes, you need to be flexible and ready to adjust your plan when necessary. So next time you feel overwhelmed by life's challenges, remember, a well-planned life is a well-lived life. With your compass in hand and your sturdy vessel, you are ready to navigate the vast ocean of life. So, set your sails, adjust when necessary, and enjoy the journey. It's time to take action and become the director of your own life. Before we wrap things up, if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our Smart Life Solutions community where we continue to share effective life planning tips and strategies. Also, if you think this video could help someone you know, don't hesitate to share it. You never know, it might be the nudge they need to start directing their own life movie. And if you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. It helps us know what content you find valuable. Remember, a well-planned life is a well-lived life. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to help you navigate the ocean of life. See you then.